everyone, my name is Jason D. Caballo, BSIT 1A. My topic is Fundamentals of Counting. So today, I will explain fundamentals counting. So let's start now. So what is fundamental of counting? The fundamentals of counting is a basic principle in mathematics that helps us determine how many possible outcomes can occur in a situation. It states that if a process is made up of several independent choices, the total number of possible outcomes is found by multiplying the number of ways each choice can happen. So, how it connects to information technology? The fundamentals of counting is deeply connected to information technology because IT systems constantly deal with choices, combinations, and possible outcomes. So now let's start. Ang ginamit ko palang problems topic is fundamentals of counting principles and factorial notation. So sa fundamentals of counting principle na tayo. So you have 5 shirts, 4 pairs of pants, and 3 hats. So given is 5 times 4 times 3. So multiply lang natin ito ng 5 times 4 times 3 is equal to 60. So kaya natin nakuha ang 16 answers kasi pinag-multiply natin ng mga given na 5, 4, and 3. So each shirt can be paired with any pants and any hat. So multiply the independent choices. Next naman ay factorial notation. So i-compute natin ng 8 factorial. So para makuha ito, pag mo-multiply lahat ng numbers. So 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 and times 1. Kaya tara, multiply natin. So 8 times 7 is equal to 56, and 56 times 6 is equal to 56 times 6 is equal to 336, and 336 times 5 is equal to 1680, and 1680 times 4 is equal to 6720, and 6720 times 3 is equal to 20,160, and 20,160 times 2 is equal to 40,320. So 40,320 times 1 is equal to 40,320. So ang answer niya ay 40,320. So multiply all integers from 1 to 8. Factorials grow quickly and appear in permutations, combinations, formulas. Conclusions. Learning the fundamentals of counting and factorial notation helped me understand how mathematics is deeply connected to information technology. These concepts show how IT systems rely on logical choices, combinations, and efficient problem solving. As a BSIT student, I realized that math is a key foundation for creating reliable programs and understanding complex technological processes. So, yun lang guys, and thank you for watching.